We get into the envelope.
We are on, and I am about to...
What has Ryder given us today?
Today's envelope. Oh, it's nicely packaged. It's not ripping.
Nicely packaged?
Well, you usually have to rip into it. So we have...
Drone.
Do you want to start, or shall I start?
I don't mind starting.
Go on then.
Okay, so I think drones are going to be part of modern life very, very quickly. But if I hark back to a previous podcast, what about the insurance? What about thinking about how you kind of figure you're delivering a small package? Is it next to a school playing field? Is it near an airport? Is it flying over a residential area? All of those aspects about how we regulate and how we insure drone flights is still up for grabs, and I think that's why you've got an organisation like Flock, who we had on the podcast about a year ago, still need to work those bits and pieces out. Apart from that, I mean, look, if it gets cars off the road, and especially if you think about the amount of traffic that gums up the roads of a city like London, trying to deliver packages and whatnot to various different office blocks, well, drones are a great way to reduce that stress on the infrastructure. So they're a good thing, but obviously we need to work out insurance, regulation, etc. to go around it, rather than just pushing ahead because we have the technology.
I'm going to be a bit more specific rather than droning on.
Oh, thanks, mate.
We talked a while ago on the show.
I gave a specific example with Flock.
Droning on. We had an example on where they trialled drone delivery in Canberra, I believe, in Australia.
Yes.
And the main reason that residents didn't like it was because the noise. So, like, people's dogs were barking at the sky, people's cats were doing backflips, babies were waking up. So I think for drones to have the first step in the right direction and, you know, regulations come in and stuff like that, just try and reduce the sound that they make, because it's going to sound like a mini helicopter's landing on your lawn.
And look, the one thing I will say, we've often kind of talked about when you're on a holiday and how Instagram gets in the way.
Yep.
I'll be really honest, when you're sitting on a quiet beach and it's all like tranquil and peaceful, and then all you hear is overhead for like half an hour while someone's trying to get their like shot for their dreamy holiday sequence. It's like, oh, do one.
Yeah, come on, it's not
out.
worth it. But
Unplug.
Oh, says the guy that uploads 50,000 Instagram photos every time he goes on holiday.
Not of my arse.
Or with a drone.
Anyway, we are droning on now.
Yes.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you've enjoyed this Independence Day special. Bill Pullman, big love, and we'll talk to you next week.